Well, welcome to the Everglades Wetland Research Park. That's our brand for FGCUs involved in here. But we're part of the greater Naples Botanical Garden. We share this building with them, and this is just a great place to work. But when they gave me this auditorium, I said, what am I going to do with this? And it turns out we've launched the Moonlight on the Marsh series, which is always packed here. So I think we're using it well. But well, yeah, welcome. This is a conference about, as you can see on the screen, wetlands mitigating harmful algal blooms. Now people say, well, Bill, are you going to study other effects? I said they've had the last 20 years to talk about what they're doing with other processes. This is about wetlands. So this meeting is about wetlands in two different ways. Number one, the sorry state of affair that we have of our world's wetlands, and we want to bring some back. And then secondly, how they can actually, one way to bring them back is to demonstrate again and again and again that they're probably the best water pollution control machines on the planet. So that's what we're going to be emphasizing at this presentation. Just to explain the background, well, I'll tell that when I give my talk. Let me not, I'll hide that for then. We have a distinguished panel of 4 individuals who are going to be sort of the welcoming committee. And they're all going to welcome you in a different way, and that's great. And then I'd like to use this panel, since they'll be sitting up here, as sort of the first round of discussions. You haven't heard the formal talks yet, but I just want to get some discussion going on whatever spot. You know, the EA reservoir would be good, but maybe you're not allowed to talk about that. but certainly what's going on with regard to wetlands in the state of Florida was very, very legitimate. So, okay, so I'll ask, I guess the easiest of all 4 of you go over at once, right? As I said, in the order of left to right or right to left. Lauren, Chauncey, Daniel Andrews. Before the while we're getting set up, I want to call your attention to this little tidbit of 2 tidbits in your program. We're always looking for support, ladies and gentlemen, for the research that we're going to be talking about, for all the activities, for all the graduate students that need funding and so on. I'm not ashamed at all to ask for money. And so we have a pledge card in here. So take it home, think about it. You don't have to do anything with it, but if you would like to help us, we give you I'm sorry we didn't put a stamp on it, but we gave you everything except the stamp. And anything counts. We were just in this, what is it called? The fundraising.
Give where you live.
Give where you live. And the Everglades Wetland Research Park did very, very well. And I think we owe applause to whoever was part of that. There are a lot of them in the room. So thank you all for this.